back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the crochet mini basket, Easter mini basket, a gift basket. So first we're going to slip knot, just easy like this one, and insert your hook and make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then join them together by inserting a hook with the first chain and slip stitch. There you go. And then try to hide the tail of the yarn, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet on that circle that we made. In the middle, insert your hook and double crochet for 12 times. 12 times. So chain 3 is considered 1. So we need 11 double crochet more to make it a total of 12 counts. Okay, that's it. So I finished the 11 double crochet plus one of this first 3 chain. All you need to do is insert your hook with this first chain that we made, and then slip stitch there to close the row 1 of our circle. So here we go, guys. For our second row, all we need to do is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then all the stitches we make 2 double crochet. Yes, 2 double crochet all the way to finish the row 2. This is what I'm doing. Do the same stitch until here on the last stitch. Of course, in this last stitch you have to do 1 double crochet because this one is considered 1, so you will have a total of 24 counts. As you can see, I'm almost done for our row 2. So this time we need 1 more double crochet on this stitch because this one is considered 1. So since we want our counts to be exactly 24, just like doubling the counts of our first row. So 1 more double crochet and that's it. We're going to insert the hook and slip stitch to close our row 2. For our row 3, what we're going to do is chain 3, 2 and 3, and then this time we're going to do the double crochet. It's like a pattern of considered 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet, repeating the same number just like this one. The chain 3 is considered 1 double crochet or 1 count, and then the next stitch 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, and then 1 double crochet in second stitch, and we're going to do the 2 double crochet on the next stitch. Just continue doing the same pattern until we finish the row 3. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet, just like that. Okay, as you can see, we almost finished the row 2. All you need to do is insert your hook, join them, and slip stitch. So now what we're going to do, we're going to chain 1 and then insert your hook in this space or stitch and slip stitch. Slip stitch all the stitch or space there. Slip stitch all the way. So This is how I slip stitch. It will look like this one, guys. So guys, once you're done doing that, you have to slip stitch here on the first chain or slip stitch. There you go. And then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And then double crochet with this side, with this loop, 2 loops, which where we do our slip stitching all the way. So you can see this is how I do it. At first it will look like you slowly doing it because it's different stitch. It will be a little bit tight, but it's fine as long as you finish this slip stitch chain or loop. It will be easier later on. So here we finished the row 5. So all we need to do is this slip stitch, and that's it. Next, what we're going to do, insert your hook under the stitch, which is my favorite stitch so far. Slip stitch again and chain 3, 2 and 3, and then next stitch will go behind of this stitch, and then the hook will be on top, and get the yarn and fold through 2 loops, fold through 2 loops, and then again this time it's under the stitch, and this one on top of the stitch, just like the alternate, do the alternate stitch all the way to finish the row 6. Okay, supposed to be like that. Okay, so here go guys, this is, it will look like this one. It should be look like this one, guys. So once you're finished it, just a slip stitch to join, and then continue or repeat the same stitch. Just get the yarn, slip stitch again, and then chain 3. Just repeat the same stitch for our desired length. Since this is mini, I think I will go for 3 more rows to finish this mini basket. Then I'll show you later once I finish doing it. So guys, I finished 4 more rows after the, so it will be counted as 5. 1 2 3 4 5 rows. So this time our handle, what we're going to do, of course we going to do the same stitch. So slip stitch again and chain 3, 1 2 3, and then of course it's on, if it's on top and it's under, you should do that, the same stitch. And this time we're going to do only 4 stitches. 4, so that's 4, and then chain 3 and turn your work and do the under and on top of the stitch, but this time the last stitch will be here. So do the same stitch on the same length or the desired length for your handle. So here we go guys, this is the handle. I only make 14 rows because it's too much. What we're going to do, just make sure it balance. You have to balance that basket where you can start or you can join chain 1 first to close that stitch and then insert your hook, insert your hook to the stitch, and then now what going to do here and slip stitch. That's it. And then another one, insert your hook on the 2 loops, and then here too on that space, and get that yarn and slip stitch to that chain or stitch, and then another one, insert your hook there, and also to your handle, just get the yarn, slip stitch, pull through until you finish the, and another one more, slip stitch, and that's it. And to lock it, just insert your hook on that side and get that yarn and slip stitch, and then chain 1. It's cut the yarn and pull the yarn, the tail of the yarn, and then hide the tail.